Here we go again, pulling the emergency brake stop cord out, and I know if I don't attach it to something, I just think it's too short. We've already had an issue, but this is an issue we're used to, because it's happened to us on a main highway. You want to talk about running around like crazy? That's what you'll do when this thing's sticking out in the main freeway. But anyways, on that note, it's taken care of, and we're on our way to Utah. See you there. I had airbags put in on my truck, and I've never leveled the truck off all the way because we never had a spot that was level enough. So I pulled over in this truck spot. It looks like the ground is pretty level, and I am gonna fill up my airbags to where it says our floor is level in our fifth wheel, which will mean both tires will have the same amount of weight on them and one won't wear out before the other. Might as well do it. Paid the money to have the bags put in. That's what the bags are for, is for leveling everything off. So I'm gonna get to it right now with my trusty level. And we are perfect. That's great. Yeah. I have this at 35. We'll go to 40. And we'll set it at 40. The one spot, it will go down to 8. And then this spot here will be at 40. And then when we get to where we're going, I'm gonna check this thing one more time, make sure everything's on the up and up, and away we go. We'll see you in a little bit. Don't forget to subscribe. Welcome to MacArthur's Temple View RV Resort. And this is where we stayed for 7 days in St. George, Utah. Very clean place. People are very courteous. Wi-Fi, cable TV, everything. Roughly, I think it was $330 for 8 days, and that's pretty reasonable. And on that note, as you can see, they go down, they've got pull-throughs, backups, and they've got more pull-throughs down there for the bigger buses with the tandem wheels. So they're constantly doing landscaping, they're constantly cleaning up, little dock area to walk your dog. And besides that, great swimming pool, great laundry room, restrooms are clean. So we're getting ready to head out of here today, go back to Boulder City. It's been a fun visit, and I would recommend this park. Very quiet. Beautiful places around. St. George is a little historical town. Well, folks, let me look at my clock. 12 o'clock. Checkout time at the Temple RV Park in St. George is 12 o'clock. We just turned in our Wi-Fi booster that they give you to help you with your signal. We're hooked up and we're out of here, heading back to Boulder City. It's a great stay here. Got to see some family members and enjoy the lovely 113-degree weather they've had all week. But we're from Vegas, we're used to it. So on that note, great park, great service. They come out here, the maintenance crew is fantastic. Don't know what else to say except call them up. You can book your reservation in advance. We had no problem over the 4th of July weekend. On that note, don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you on the road.